Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to create attractive offers. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First click on Sidekick. Then here we can ask how to create attractive offers in Shopify. Click on enter. It is processing. Okay, now it give the steps, amount of discounts, buy one get one free shipping, etc. So let's start. So first go to the discount, then here create discount. Here select amount of order. We can set the discount code, sale 50. I set the percentage to 50% offer available on all customer. Minimum purchase requirement to minimum purchase amount. So enter 500. So then maximum discount users limit to one use per customer. Then we can set the expiry date to 5 to 6 days. Okay, that's it. Then click on save. Now your 50% discount is ready. So you can also share the link through WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. So next let's create a buy two get one free offer. So go to discount. Here create discount, select buy one get one free. So click the discount code. We can set. Okay, that's it. Minimum quantity of items to specific products. We can add the product. Security and fleece hat. Click on add. Then the customer get the quantity 1. Then click on the browser and select one product. Click on add. So here the discount value we can set to free. So maximum discount users limit to one use per customer. Set the expiry date. Okay. Then click on save. So this is how we can set buy one get one free offers. So the customer will get one item as free. So now we can set, go to the free shipping offer. So click on discount, create discount, select free shipping. Here discount code as free ship, all countries. Eligibility or customers, minimum purchase amount can set 500. Above 500 it will be free shipping. So limit to one use per customer. We can set the expiry date. Then that's it. Click on save. Now customer will get free delivery above 500. So this is the steps to make the discounts. So to make your offer more attractive, use symbol codes like save 20, show limited time offers, display original and discounted price, highlight offers on homepage, etc. So this is how you can create attractive offer in Shopify easily. Try these offers in your store and see what works best for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon.